How to add a blog post in WordPress with Elementor. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to add a blog post in WordPress with the help of Elementor. First of all, bring your cursor to post in the sidebar and then click on add new. Once you click on add new, then click on edit with Elementor. And from here now I'll edit my blog post. First of all, I'll click on plus icon, then I'll select my structure. I have selected the first structure. I'll increase the padding size. I'll go to advanced and I'll increase the padding size. Then I'll go to layout. I'll increase the width. Now I'll click on this box and then I'll drag heading and I'll drop it here. I'll add my heading here. I'll type free chat GPT prompt. Then I'll click enter. I can increase the size. I'll keep it extra large or extra large. I like this one. I can increase the text stroke from here. I can change the typography. I can keep it small or I'll keep it 45. And from here I can change the font. I'll select Times New Roman. And then you can add your blog here. I'll click on this plus icon and then I'll click on intersection. I'll again click on this plus icon and from here I'll select this structure. Now here I'll add my image. I'll drag the image icon and drop it here. And now here you can upload your image if you want to upload two images. If you want to upload image in this section too, just drag and drop it here. You can add your images. You can type your blog here. Once you are done editing your blog post, click on publish and your blog post will be live. This is how you can edit your blog post with Elementor. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.